Have you guys seen that Sunrise alarm clock that's like $170? Well, this one right here is actually on sale for under $50, and it does the same exact thing. So basically what happens is you set your alarm for a certain time, and then 10 to 20 minutes before your alarm goes off, depending on what you choose, it'll slowly start getting brighter and brighter and brighter, just like a sunrise. So that way when you wake up with the alarm, it wakes you up gently and just makes it a lot easier to wake up in the morning. This one's currently on sale for less than $50 right now, which is an insane deal. If you want to grab it, I'll leave the link down below.